Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 4th of February. James Spann here. A little cloudy-ish this evening, but prospects of rain not really good in the short term. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots. We'll check the Skycam coming from Tuscaloosa. That's looking east from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. The sky there is mostly cloudy. Very similar sky on the eastern side of the state. That's coming from Chehaw State Park in the boot heel of Cleburne County, south of Anniston. And there's a little sun glistening off the Gulf of Mexico. That's the Skycam as seen there from the Phoenix All Suites on a partly sunny winter day. And before you know it, those spring breakers will be coming down there. All right, the look at very carefully there, and you can see a little shortwave coming through the Mid-South, and that's producing the clouds today. And it might squeeze out a touch of light rain late tonight or early tomorrow, but I don't think it rains much, if any at all. Temperatures a little below average, upper 40s and low 50s. The cool spots, Fort Payne and Gadsden at 46, Birmingham at 51, Montgomery at 55. And after today, a good chance we'll be in the 60s for a while. And around the nation, still very cold over much of central and eastern Canada, and some of that continues over the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes. But for now, the upper winds will not allow that really cold air to drop south. There's our watch warning map. Not too many issues around the nation. It snowed in Chicago this morning. A nice little snow. They've been in a snow drought for a while. Winter weather advisories continue for parts of Ohio, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania. But again, things are pretty calm. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock. And this is suggesting rain amounts of about 1/4 to 1/2 inch over North Alabama. But look at the rain for the next 7 days. This carries us through Monday evening of next week, and the amounts are ramping up. And we might be setting up for a heavy rain event for parts of North Alabama Sunday through Tuesday, as you'll see. Let's check modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow. Little axis of the shortwave has moved on by, and that shows nothing. And really, the prospects of measurable rain are just very small. We might see a touch of light rain or a sprinkle early tomorrow morning, and that should be about it. And the sun should begin to break out tomorrow afternoon as the wave axis moves to the east. And if indeed that happens, we should reach the middle 60s based on those thickness values. Wednesday should be a nice day. Should be a sunny day with mid-60s likely again. We'll start the day around 40. Thursday, you can see more energy coming at us in kind of a disturbed southern branch of the jet stream, and you can see rain develops off to the west and south of here during the day Thursday, and that will probably spread in here Thursday night, and then by Friday, the axis of that rain is on to the east. So looks like a pretty good chance of rain Thursday night into Friday morning. Don't think we'll see excessively heavy rain with that, and probably not much thunder, if any at all, but a decent chance of showers there. And then maybe by Friday afternoon, the sun peaks out. Highs Thursday and Friday, low 60s probably. Saturday, as we kick off the weekend, that looks like a nice day. Lots of sunshine. Again, the high between 60 and 65, just gorgeous. And then Sunday, we're going to watch that deep upper low over the southwest, around the Four Corners. And we all know those can be problematic in handling the timing and the configuration of the system as it lifts out. But if this is right, Sunday, moisture starts to increase. Looks like a warm front a little north of here with a better chance of showers over Tennessee and Arkansas. So if this is right, Sunday could work out to be a dry day. Highs in the 60s, kind of breezy, cloudy-ish, but not much rain. We'll just kind of watch the trends here. Then we go to Monday. The axis of heavy rain sets up over the Tennessee Valley, Huntsville, and the Shoals. Down this way, we'd be on the periphery of that. The heavier rain extends down to around Shreveport and down into eastern Texas. But that could be some heavy rain action in there if this works out to be correct. And then next Tuesday, the 12th, the southwest upper low begins to lift out. The rain gets heavier. And you can see why there's some concern over maybe some flooding issues over the Tennessee Valley if this is right. They might wind up easily with rain amounts between 2 and 4 inches between Sunday and Tuesday. The amounts for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden would not be as heavy, but remember, this is early in the game and this could change. So just be aware, we could be looking at a pretty good extended rain event for parts of North Alabama late this weekend and early next week. And then on the Wednesday of next week, this is the 13th. Hey, look at the Cold air beginning to return, maybe a change to snow or snow flurries on the backside of the departing storm, and rarely does that cause any problems. And then the 14th, Thursday, Valentine's Day, will be cool and dry with the 540 line down to Huntsville. And let's go a little deeper. How about the 18th of the month? Yeah, you can see that action setting up there. You got the northern branch, the Arctic jet is north of here, the southern branch steaming through with some energy, and hey, how about a snowstorm on the 18th? That'll get the snow lovers excited to see the critical thickness line down to Montgomery. And if you like that, look at the snow depth coming off the GFS. It's got accumulating snow almost down to Mobile. But we all know, let's say it together, this is in the land of voodoo, and these things tend to disappear. After you see one run, they're just gone. But we'll watch for trends. Something like that is possible, but we're sure not going to believe that based on one deterministic run of the GFS. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. Notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Be sure to catch the next episode of Just Talking It Up on iTunes, Stitcher, your favorite podcast app, or on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
Hey, you forgot our names.
No.
You did. You forgot our names.
Don't be silly. I'm Janet, your Crash, see?
She's just like a goose. She wakes up in a new world every day.